So welcome to my channel. Well, in tonight's video I'm actually down here in a place called Beer Street here in Hanoi, Vietnam, and it's supposed to be a really cool street, and we're gonna go there and check it out and see what it's like. So follow me along on this little adventure. And this is what it looks like from the outside. Look at the size of that thing. Oh, she's trying to sell me something already, but this is kind of like right here at the beginning of it. Let's see what they have. Now it's a little bit early into the evening, so maybe not so bustling, but still there is a lot of folks here. And look at all this food, tons of food. No, thank you.
Hey, how are you?
Pretty good, pretty good. Oh, not yet. Let's see where this goes. We'll go down and now it's getting a little bit more congested.
Very time consuming.
So tell me what you think about this place called Beer Street here in Hanoi, Vietnam.
Hello. Hello, sir. Drink for beer.
Not yet, sir. Not yet. Hello. So maybe we're coming to the end.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Chưa đi ở đây bao giờ hết.
Now this is pure sugar cane. That's what he's making. This is what he does right here. Sugar cane, pure, right? Nice. Big size, 10 grand. So this is more just right off of Beer Street. kind of maybe just a little bit to the east and the west of it. So we're still kind of checking it out. So we're still continue our little tour of Beer Street, and we'll head down the other way. And you see how vibrant this place gets as soon as we start getting into a little bit deeper area.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You want free outside, sir? Cheap beer. Outside, sir. Happy hour.
That's about here. So you can see how really festive it is here on this street. It's really quite something.
Điện thoại không ba mà xả.
So that's the end of this video of Beer Street here in Hanoi, Vietnam. If you like this content, please consider subscribing. I travel to a lot of places, and hit the like button if it does help you out, because it helped my channel out. And I hope to see you in my next video. So see you from beautiful Vietnam.